You're my best friend. My mommy is my best friend. Do you know why my mommy is my best friend? Do you know? Do you don't know? Let me tell you. Mommy cook good food for me and my father. Good food, good life, good full life. My mommy always play with hide and seek, even running race, even running race. I never want to leave you. I never want to leave your side. Never want to leave your side. You're my best friend, my mother. You always stay with me. You always stay with me. When I'm so blue and sad, you